Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the DSA Foundations Series. In today's video, we are going to solve two very important hash map problems from the LeetCode. The first problem is the group anagram, LeetCode number 49. Second problem is the first unique character in a string, LeetCode number 387. And both of these problems are great for the understanding frequency counting and the map patterns, which are extremely important in the data structure and algorithm. In this video, we will understand the problem step by step, build the logic together, write the JavaScript solution, and analyze the time complexity. So if you are learning DSA with the JavaScript, this video will really help you strengthen your problem solving fundamental. So let's start. So first problem is the group anagrams. First, let's understand what an anagram actually means. So two words are called anagrams if they contain the same characters but in a different color, different order. Like if I write here eat, tea, and eight, all three words contain the same letters A, E, T, just arranged differently here in these three words. So these words belong to the same anagram group, right? EAT, TEA, and ATE. All three are built by using the only three letters EAT. So now let's look at the input here. If you see example number one, I have an strs array, string array, and here we have an eat, tea, 10, 8, net, bed. So our goal is to group the words that are anagram of each other. The expected output will look like here. If you see bat, net, 10, 8, eat, and tea. These three are single anagram. 10 and net is a single anagram, and bat is a single anagram. Now the main question is, how do we identify whether two words are anagrams here? But if we give here the only two string, then we can easily connect by using the frequency. But here first, the trick is very simple. If we sort the characters of a word, like if we sort these three words, we get a single things A, E, T. Whenever I sort eat, T, or 8, I get every time this A, E, T, right? All anagram will produce the same sorted string. Eat with the eat is the AT, AET, AET, and AET. All produce the same result, right? So if we can use these sorted word as a key to implement this efficiently, we use a map. So the map will store the sorted word and a list of anagrams. Like let me write here the code, and here if let map equal to new map, we create a map and start a for loop. Let str of strs, and first we have to make a key. Key here is the sort the array. For that we have to first convert into the array format, because there is no sorting function in the string, but in the array we have sort, then again rejoin it into a string, and by this we get a key here, and that key here is the, I already tell you, AET for this single word by using the sorted. Next, start if map dot has this key, then set map dot set key value. And if you see here, we are we have to run means give the output here in the array format. For that we have to convert into an array format. So first value, if map dot does not has any key, so first we have to map dot set key value and str value, right? In a, we are storing in an array format, but here we have to first spread out this map dot get key. When we write map dot get key, we get this array of string, right? And we are spreading out here. And after this spreading out, we are add this new string here in this by this. And after that, just by this we make a new map here, means map here. And after that, start a let key value of array of map. This is a basic syntax of the JavaScript for of loop for traversing to the map. And now let define here is the let arr a blank array, and here arr dot push this map dot get, oh sorry, arr dot push this value, and this value give us the array format, and in last return this array. So wait, let me run this. Yes, it running, means accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it accepted. All the 128 test cases are passed here. So here first we create an empty map, and for the means here let a map is equal to new map. Then we loop through each word in the input array here in this, and for each word we convert into a sorted string by using this let key is equal to str dot split. First we convert string into an array format, then we apply the sort function, then we again rejoin it for making it into a string format. Then we get, by this we get a sorted array sorted string, and this sorted string is used as a key format in the map. So we check if map dot has a key this value, means if the map already contains this key. If it does, we add the string to the existing array. So first existing array, first we have to get the existing array by using this key, and spread by using the spread operator we spread it and add the new value here. There is no direct way. If you want to apply here the dot push method, that's not applicable here, because first we have to retrieve the data, then we have to push the data for that. Else we make a new map with the key and with the value. After processing all word, the map will contain all the group anagrams, right? And but this is a map format, and our answer in the output is in the array format. For that we create a let arr is equal to empty array, and after that means we loop through the map and push all the values into our result array, and that give us the final group anagram. So here time complexity here is the big of n k log n, because we sort each word, and sorting takes the high time complexity, right? And here n is the number of words and k is the length of each word. So time complexity here is the big of n cross k log k, and n is the number of words and k is the length of each word. So this is how we this group anagram works. I hope you understand. Let's move to the next problem, the first unique character in a string, the problem number 387. Here in this problem we are given a string. Our task is to find the index of the first character that appears only the once, and if no such character exists, then return the -1 here. So let's see example. In example 1 we have an string LeetCode. Here if you see here, the character L appears at the index 1, and the frequency is only 1, means L is come here only one time, and in this, and so the answer here is the 0. At the 0th index it comes, so 0 is the answer. And in the second problem, if you see love LeetCode, in this here the first character that appears only once is the V, L O V. O is 2 times, E is many times, L is also 2 times, T is also 2 times, C is single time, but this is not at the first index, means not at the first unique character. First unique character here is the V. So how do we solve this problem? The best approach is used to frequency map. Means we check how many times any character appears in the in this word, in this string, and whenever we after that we start a new loop where whenever we find out the value is the with the key value is the 1, so we return it. And the map has a property that it means save the order of the string. Means whenever we add the any value, it save that order. It does not change the order. So let's const map equal to new map, and here start a for loop. Let char of s if map dot has this char. Means if we already insert the map with the value, means first is the we have to set map dot set char with the value 1. If it does not if it already exists in the map, then set map dot set char is the key here, and map dot char with the value +1. Means first we retrieve the value, then we add 1 inside this, and here key is the char. Means like here LOVE, these are the words. Next we start a new for loop. Let I equal to 0, I smaller than s dot length I plus plus, and here we retrieve the value here, map dot get of s of I. If it is 1, then return the index of that the character of this of that index. Else if there is nothing find out, then return the -1. Means we are traversing to the whole string here, and we are checking if the map exists, map has this string character or not. If it is whether if it is present in this string, then whether their frequency is the 1 or not. If it is 1, then return the that index, else return the -1. Let's try to submit. Let's try to run this code. Yes, let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the test case. And here the moment we find that here means if a character find with frequency is 1, return its index. That is the first unique character here. And the time complexity of this solution is the big of n, because we only traverse the string twice. Means one for loop, second for loop, and there is a means we are addition of these two for loop is the big of n, and there is no nested loop, so that's why time complexity is the big of n. There is no sorted, no nesting. So today we solved two very important hash map pattern problem from the LeetCode. Group anagram, second one is the first unique character in a string. And these problems are the great for the building your understanding of hash maps, frequency counting, pattern recognition in the DSA problem. If you are preparing for the coding interviews or improving your problem solving skills, mastering these skills, these patterns is extremely important. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase, and if you want to learn DSA step by step with the JavaScript, check out the full DSA Foundation playlist on the JDCodebase. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.